Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the high contrast keyboard to yellow, black or blue keypad in this device. So first of all I will show you how to enable the high contrast keyboard in this device. So for this, go to settings. Now scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Tap on vision enhancement. Here you can see the option high contrast keyboard. Turn on this option and tap on this option. So here you can see 4 type of high contrast keyboard. You can see here the black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on black keypad, yellow letters on black keypad, and the last one white letters on the blue keypad. So according to your choice, you can select white, yellow, black or blue keypad. So now this is black keypad. If you want to change to blue keypad, you can select this one. If you want to change to yellow, then you can select this one. So simply in this way, you can change the high contrast keypad to yellow, black or blue keypad in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.